Good afternoon everybody, it's James from Honor, and today I have had a huge box turn up on my doorstep, and I think it's only fair that we share the experience opening this up, because I think this is gonna be a pretty exciting delivery. And just to be sure, this time I've got a slightly safer knife than I used last time, and I have every intention of not cutting my finger open. Yep, that was a close call. This is just like Christmas. I think I broke the knife. And first up we have lots of packing material. That's not a bad thing. So let's have a look. Oh, that. So if you saw my last unboxing video, you saw that I got a GS Pro ×2. This time round, I've got the Honor Watch ES ×4. I can have one on every limb. It looks like, yeah, every version I've got here is actually a promo version, so they don't actually have the real boxes. But I've got white, black, pink. Let's open one of these up and take a look. Ignore the packaging and the cars driving by outside. I've definitely broken this. My wife's gonna kill me. Okay, right. Let's take a look. Oh, the ice cream man's here. Ooh, okay, so there's the black Honor Watch ES. Let's take that out of there. So this has got the black silicone strap on it. Yeah, that's really nice. Smaller than the GS Pro, which you can see, I think this is 1.64 inch AMOLED. Which way up is up, so it's going to be this way. That feels really comfy. You can see it's a little bit smaller. So is there any juice in this? Yep, there we go, there's the logo. Straight into pairing mode. So I'm going to have to set this up afterwards, but yeah, that's nice. Okay, so these are currently $99.99. They've just launched in the UK. It doesn't weigh a lot either. So on the back is where it will read your heart rate and stress monitors, and SpO2 monitor as well in this, just like the GS Pro. This one doesn't have quite as many workouts as the GS Pro, but I think it's still 95. I think this one also has animated coaching, so it will talk you through how to do the workouts with a visual aid on the screen itself. The screen, even though it looks quite small, it's quite big because there's not really a thick bezel on this. So I think actually the screen is deceptive. What else have we got in the box? So we have charging cable, which is, oh wow, so this is different to the charging cables on GS Pros and maybe seen the Magic Watch 2s and the Magic Watch 1s where you have like a circular magnet on the bottom. This one magnetizes to the back that way, and then it just plugs straight into the charger. It doesn't have an adapter on the end, it's just direct. That's cool. That's where the documentation would go. But yeah, straightforward USB. Excellent. Okay, let's put that to the side. Let's see what else we've got here. Let's open up the white one and see. Cool. Now, even though these are promo boxes, you can see the style as to how it's actually probably going to be in the real box. So that's quite nice. I mean, it fits in there really well. So let's have a look at the white one. So the white one, exactly the same as the black, obviously different color. You've got a button on the side that's got a red dash on it. Whereas on the black one, oh no, the black one does have a red dash as well. It's the same strap, same silicone strap. That ice cream truck is back again. Got another one. Let's have a look. There's a pink one. So again, same red dot on the side. There's only one button. But the pink one is kind of like a soft pink. It's not bright pink. So there we go. White, black and pink. That's great, so we can do some more activities and tests with this. Awesome. Right. It's not just that though. What else have I got in here? And this is something special. And again, I think this is a promo box version, but it is the Honor MagicBook Pro. Okay. Wow. Honor MagicBook Pro. How long have I been talking about wanting one of these? Forever. Now I finally got one. Let's have a look. Ooh. Paperwork. Charging adapter, so it's one of those plugs that pops up, but it looks like, yeah, there's a USB-C that goes straight into that, and then straight into the USB on the side of the laptop. That's your USB cable, USB-C cable. That's really well packed. It's not actually that heavy. I was expecting that to be heavier, but oh wow. I've been looking forward to updating my laptop for what seems like an eternity, and the time is finally here. Oh, look at that. So it's got a kind of space grey look to it. The Honor is embossed into the top, and there's rubber grips on the bottom. Okay, let's lift this up. Oh yeah, nice. So the screen is 16.1 inch. And this has got the brand new AMD Ryzen 4600 series chipset in it. Wow, that screen is enormous. That's a huge screen, and because the bezel is so thin, it feels much bigger than it actually is. We're going to take a closer look at this as well in the next couple of weeks. Oh, I'm so happy with this. What have we got ports wise on the side? You've got HDMI, normal USB, and that is the USB-C. More USBs. You've got a fingerprint sensor over here for startup. There's 512 gig SSD storage in this and 16 gig of RAM. I've got a fun evening ahead setting this up. Well, I got loads of new toys to play with tonight, so I'm going to leave you now, and I hope you enjoyed that experience of opening up a box of goodies as much as I did, because and of course if you've got any questions, send them to me via social media, or you can post them here on the YouTube channel, and I will get back to you with answers as soon as I can. Thank you once again. I'll see you in the next video.